Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Tech Review. We all know Mac apps are but also the most expensive. Seriously, have you seen the price of Final Cut Pro, Adobe Creative Cloud? It's like Apple thinks we're all made of Tim Apple's turtleneck collection. But what if I told you? You could get any Mac app, worth thousands, for free, no viruses, no sketchy downloads, and yes, it's technically legal. Mostly. We're talking about bending the rules, exploiting loopholes, and maybe telling a few white lies. Stick around, because today, I'm revealing the secret hacks even Apple doesn't want you to know. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, student discounts. This one's a classic. Now, you don't actually need to be a student rocking AEDU email to get that sweet discount. Just say you are. Sites like Unidays, they never actually check. It's all about confidence, people. Oh, me? Yeah, I'm totally studying. Underwater basket weaving at Harvard. Boom, 50% off Adobe, 90% off Microsoft Office, and maybe a little bit of guilt. But hey, think of it as a donation to your future self, who's totally gonna be a Harvard grad one day. Yes, my name is Student McStudentface. Yeah, I'm having trouble accessing my student discount. It keeps saying my underwater basket weaving certificate isn't valid. I'm kidding. Don't actually call Apple support, but seriously, student discounts are a gold mine. Just, use your powers for good, not evil. Or at least be subtle about it. Next up, we're diving into the world of free trials. Now, most apps offer a free trial period, right? But here's the thing, you can milk those trials for way longer than you think. We're talking months, maybe even years of free software. Here's the secret sauce burner emails. Create a new email address every time a trial is about to expire. Use a fake name. I'm talking about channeling your inner secret agent, and boom, you've got yourself an infinite loop of free software. Oh no, my trial expired? Must be a glitch. Works like a charm. Until the developers personally hunt you down. Just kidding. Mostly. But seriously, this method is surprisingly effective. They'll never take me alive. I've got my burner phone, my VPN, and enough free trials to last a lifetime. Okay, maybe I'm being a little dramatic. But you get the idea. Free trials are your friend, as long as you know how to play the game. Okay, so maybe you're not comfortable with the whole bending the rules thing. Totally get it. That's where open source software comes in. This is the legal loophole you've been waiting for. Open source apps are created by independent developers, often for free, and they're completely legal to use. Think of it like this. GIMP is the Robin Hood of Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve is the free-spirited cousin of Final Cut Pro, and LibreOffice, well, let's just say Microsoft Word is shaking in its boots. These apps might not have all the bells and whistles of their paid counterparts, but they're constantly being updated and improved by a passionate community. Plus, you can sleep at night knowing you're not breaking any laws. It's a win-win. Now I know what you're thinking. What about those websites with the skull and crossbones? The ones that promise free software but might give your computer a virus. Yeah, about that. My lawyer said I can't talk about that. Something about copyright infringement and jail time. But hey, at least I can tell you a joke, right? Why did the cracked software break up with its girlfriend? Too many serial issues. I'll see myself out. Okay, jokes aside, let's get real for a second. I know some of these methods might seem a little morally ambiguous. And look, I get it. Developers work hard to create these amazing apps, and they deserve to get paid for their work. But let's be honest, not everyone can afford to drop thousands of dollars on software, especially when you're just starting out. So use these tricks wisely, my friends. And hey, once you're a millionaire tech CEO, you can pay it forward by buying all the software your heart desires. In the meantime, smash that like button if you enjoyed these tips. Subscribe for more tech hacks and shenanigans. And let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. And Apple, if you're watching, this is entirely satire. Please don't sue me. Alright, that's it for today's video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go try to download Photoshop onto this USB drive. I hear microwaving it speeds up the process. Just kidding. Or am I? See you in the next one.